This is a 2020 Dodge Scat Pack with the 6.4. It's had the factory rear resonators removed already. It has the factory mid mufflers in there now. Got some aftermarket tips we put on there a while back. Customer wants a little more sound, a little deeper tone out of it. We're going to do a little before and after here. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay, we removed the mid mufflers, replaced them with the single chamber V-tube mufflers. It's got the stock catalytic converters and X pipe on it with the rear resonated mufflers removed in the back with the dual outlet tips it already had on there. Let's see what difference it made. That seemed to have really livened it up. A lot deeper, a lot throatier. Jumped from about 100 to 119.